Welcome. My name is Hudson Panning, Field Service Engineer with Siemens Field Support Group. Today, we're going to be talking about replacing the CPU 2 Plus with the CPU 3. The CPU 3 will work in all equipment that the CPU 2 Plus was in, including the MS4000, GCP 4000, GCP 3000 Plus, GCP 5000, and the Geo. As always with new products, we have a reference manual, and you can find that at our website. Alright, let's swap this out. All CPU modules are hot swappable. When handling any of our modules, be sure to store them in electrostatic bags. Hold the module by the edges, being especially sure not to touch the gold connectors on the back of the card. Be sure to line the card up with the slots. Press it in. Now that we've got it swapped over, let's take a look at some of the new features on the card. If you hit the select button, and then the navigate button, you have the CP software, the VLP software, the IP address for connection, and the MCF running in the box. This card can be used as a backup if something happens to the display to connect to the web UI. Again, this is a backup. If you have the display in your chassis, this is your primary connection port. So that's the new CPU 3. You can access it with a laptop through the Ethernet port, just like the display. The display is your primary connection, and we recommend you watch our web UI connection video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at technical support. Thank you, and have a safe day.